Bring it back.
Good afternoon and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Jael.
And my name is Camilla. It's a magnificent day to be a Panther.
Today in sporting news, our boys and girls track team will host the Heritage Invitational today at 4 p.m.
Our boys varsity team will play Titusville High School today. This will be an away game beginning at 6 p.m.
Panthers, in club news and as a reminder, don't forget that there's a crochet club today at 3:35 in Building 6, Room 101 with the fabulous Mrs. Sharp.
Attention, seniors who have not met the reading or math graduation requirement should register now for the March 9 SAT. Regular registration deadline is February 23rd, late deadline is February 27th, and April 13 ACT regular registration deadline is March 8th.
If you're on a free or reduced lunch, see Ms. Jameer for ACT waivers. SAT waivers should already be in your college board accounts.
The SAT is now digital. That means you can bring your own device. After registering, download the Blue Book app and start exploring. The week before your test, they'll email you a reminder to complete a short exam set up in the app before you can print your admission.
Seniors taking these tests, make sure you are using Khan Academy SAT Prep so you could earn concordant scores.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!